today we're going to be working on a lesson plan that deals with receptive language, and the long-term goal for this plan is going to be by annual review date in the speech setting. The student will follow 3-step oral directions in structured activities with 80% accuracy when implemented by the SLP. But in this activity, they are going to be doing 2-step directions, so the objective is 1 step below the actual annual goal. And so the behavior is that the student will correctly follow the 2-step oral command in order as directed. We're going to be using Ned's head, and in Ned's head there are cards with different 2-step directions on them, and we have a data sheet that you can keep track of the correct and incorrect steps, if they followed them, if they didn't follow them or not. Now we will demonstrate how this activity will work. So today we're going to work on our 2-step directions. Last time we just worked on 1-step directions and you did really well with that. And so now we're going to move on to something that's a little harder. I put some cards into Ned's head here, and they have 2-step directions on them. And I want you to pull out a card of Ned's head, hand it to me. I'll read the card to you, and I want you to listen carefully. When I'm done reading, I want you to do the steps in the order that I read them. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pull out a card from Ned's head and hand it to me. Close your eyes and count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job. You followed the directions and did both the steps in the correct order. Go ahead and pull out another card. Wave to me and say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Good job. You did the directions as followed. Pull out another card. Smile and then say your age.
33.
Oops, you only did one of those steps. Listen carefully as I read it and try again. Smile and then say your name. Age.
33.
Okay, you're still missing the first part of the step where you need to smile. So let's try it together. Smile and then say your age. 33.
33.
All right, pull out a card from Ned's head. Clap your hands and name your favorite color.
Blue.
Great job, you did both steps. Pat your head and then pretend to sneeze. Great job, you did both steps in that direction. Shake your head and then cross your fingers. Okay, you did both of those steps, but you did them in the wrong order. Listen carefully. Shake your head and then cross your fingers. Good job. You did both steps in the correct order that time. Whisper your name and then point to the ceiling. Great job. You did both of those steps correctly. All right, tap the table and then give a thumbs up. Good job, you did both steps correctly. All right, let's do one more. scratch your head and then stomp your foot. Okay, you did both the steps correctly, but the direction is just stomp your foot, and you stomped both your feet. So just do one foot. Listen carefully. Scratch your head and then stomp your foot. Good job. You did both of the steps correctly that time. So this lesson would continue until they get 80% accurate on the directions given, and with the reinforcement schedule of the verbal commands.